Hi, my name is Kunal Raj. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate C# and .NET Programming Lab exercise number 7. The title of the experiment is Windows Form Application. So these are the concepts to be included in the application. MDI is multi-document interface. That is from one form to another. Then we have database connectivity, insert, update, delete, and search. Then display using grid view. Then login pages that that is to be validated. That means the admin and user login we have. So the login pages should be admin should be directed to admin page, and user should be direct to a user page. So my program here is address book. So first of all, if I run the code here, so it's a form. It's the first form which is asking login. That is, if suppose if I have set some username and password for admin already in the database. So I will provide the username and password. If I provide wrong password here, if the password and username doesn't match with any records in the database, it will show invalid login. Otherwise, if I give right password and the right username and password, it will show me this. So this is for admin login page. This is admin registration page where admin can register new users. So suppose if I register some new user here, so suppose if I give so I have given some data here to register this user to the database. So if I click register, it says registered. Now inside in this database, this is the grid view where the database is shown. If I click display DB, so here as you can see, the value that I have entered is shown here. Now if I have to search something inside a database, I will use email. So if I have to search suppose if I give email, so this is the row that is to be shown. So if I give search record, it will show the record which matches with this email. Now again, if I have to delete some database, suppose if I give email as 3 here, so if I give delete record, so the email associated with this will be deleted. So this was for admin. Now if I give email and password for a user, so this is the email password for a user, then if I give login, it will show me another form. So this is the update form where user can update their details. So suppose something I give, so these are the values that I have entered. So after updating, if I click update here, it says updated. So I will give OK, and I will close the form. So again, to see the database, I will again log in as admin, and I log in here. Then as you can see here, the new values are entered, updated in the database, and I have entered through the old email, so email should not change, and through the old email all the data are updated. So using new email and new password, I can again go to the form. So now let us see the coding of this program. So first of all, here I am having this form 1 design where I have put some label and then text box with this login button, and then once the button is clicked, using connection string. So this is my connection string. So this is a connection string that I took from grid view, and then using SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection and connection dot open, I will so this since it is login, I will see select count star from admin. So it will count all the rows where email is equal to my email and password equal to password that I have provided. So if any so it will return this after executing this using command dot execute scalar, it will return the total number of rows affected. So directly it will return the count, so the total number of rows affected. If count is equal to 1, that means if there are 1 row affected, that means the record is found. I'll give email equal to admin and form add equal to f equal to new form. That is, I will open new form, and then I'll hide this current form here. Else if it is not admin, then it should be some user. So I'll open another form, I'll pass email because I need to update the details, then I'll just give dot show. If count equal to 0, that means no found, nothing is found, I'll just give invalid login. So this is login page, and this is admin page. Here admin page. So as you can see here, I have provided various fields for first name, last name, email, city. Then I'll just, when the register button is pressed, it will take all the values from the text box. Then using insert into add book, it will just add the values into the table. This is my name of the table. It will add values, and using com.parameters.add will enter the parameters, and this is the name of the field. That is, this is the name of the column in the table. It will add the column, and by this way com.execute known query, using this function, this command will be executed. And so in the function public void display kick, using SQL data adapter, I am providing object for ADP. Then I'm giving argument as select star, add star from add book. Then I'm populating this SQL adapter with adp.fill d. So this is a data set that I'm filling into the asset adapter. Then data grid 1, this is the object for data grid 1, and then I'm setting the data source as d.tables equal to 0. Then for delete, update, I'll use the same SQL command. Then I'll execute known query. Then I'll provide delete. And for this is where, so for searching, I'll just give select star from adbook where email equal to provided email. So in the text box, I'm giving providing separate email text box for searching the email. And for this is the third form edit, where I'll edit. So I'll just give update add book. Then using this update, I'll update all the values except email to the database. This was C# Lab EX7. Thank you for watching the video.